Alright, we are at Eriksö, Badplats in Vaxholm. And we're going in right away. Woohoo! An amazing, beautiful, warm day in Stockholm. And I am exploring Eriksö, Badplats in Vaxholm. Right now I'm heading towards the jetty in the water to take a dive, and I'm gonna show you the beach as we go around. But it's basically beautiful sandy beach with a rocky part in the middle and super huge space to swim. And it is 24th of July today, 2024, edition number 103. We have 23 degrees, 24 degrees actually now Celsius in the air. And yes, it's 21 degrees Celsius in the sea. This is obviously the Baltic Sea. And let's then take a dive here from this minor jetty, floating jetty that you can see right here. And you can see the whole beach from here as well, especially the rocky part and one of the sandy parts as well. So yes, we are then ready for a dive in the Baltic Sea on this beautiful day. So follow me, as this is Beach Adventures with Chris, and we are enjoying this beautiful day from Vaxholm for the first time this year. Actually, it is my first visit to Vaxholm this year. So let's jump. It was very slippery. I almost fell. Well, I fall actually anyway. So yes, that's the floating jetty where you can take a swim. This is one of the sandy beaches, and there is one more on the other side that I'm gonna show you later. So Eriksöbadet has also a camping that I can see from here as well. It's at the entrance of the beach, and to get here you need to take the bus towards Vaxholm that starts from Västra Station, which is in Tekniska Högskola in the central Stockholm, and from there the bus 670 will take you to a station called Eriksöbadet, and from the main road it is around 800 meters walk to get to Eriksöbadet. So yes, it is obviously on the Baltic Sea, but the water, to be fair, is not so salty right here. No, not so salty. And here you can also swim also, and they have measured here beautifully every 10 meters, so you can also count how many meters you have swam. There is a sign on the ball TIA, which means Temp, and it's actually 10 meters. So the beach is actually quite crowded today, and despite the forecast saying cloudy weather, it was mainly sunny so far, with some clouds in the sky as well. But yes, beautiful day. Now let me swim all the way to the other part of the sandy beach so I can show you that one as well. But yeah, then let's wrap up from Eriksöbadet, this main part. You'll see more of the beach later in this episode as well. But yes, first beach adventure from Vaxholm this year from Eriksöbadet in Vaxholm. Thank you so much for watching this episode with me, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.